Hello everyone, today I am excited to present my project, Student Management System. My project is ranked in the top 20. I am Shujoy Sarkar, currently pursuing BSc in CSE from International Islamic University Chittagong. Here is my contact information, feel free to reach out. Before diving in, I would like to introduce our course teacher, Mr. Abu Mansur Muhammad Fahim sir. The technologies I used in my project: for front-end HTML, CSS and Bootstrap, and for back-end Python, Django. The key features in my project are view student list, add student, remove student, and also update student information. In view student list, we can see the list of all students. In add section, we can add any new student information. In remove section, we can wish to remove any student information from the system. In update section, we can modify any of the student information. Thank you. Now it's time to see its live. Here it is, our main project. First of all, we connect the virtual environment. Then, to run the server, we need to type python manage.py run server. After clicking on it, the server successfully run. To visit the page, we need to click on the URL. Here we go. Here is the front page of our project. Now we will see how the add student works. Here in the interface, we'll add any new student information. Suppose randomly I am adding a student information. Email and CSE. After putting all the data, then click on the add button. After clicking on the add button, a message appeared: the new student added successfully. Now we go to the home page. In the home page, we can see the new student data we just added. We can also see the student data by clicking on this button. Here we can see a student number, first name, last name, and field of the study and GPA. Now I am show all of you how the update operation works. If I modify any of the student data, then clicking on the update edit button, here we can edit the student information. Suppose I change his first name and also last name and his email. After modify all of the data, then clicking on the update button. After clicking on the update button, a message appeared: the student updated successfully. Now we go to the home page. Here we can see the data are modified. Then we can delete the data from the list by clicking on the delete button. After clicking on the delete button, a message will appear. For confirmation, we click on the delete the data will erased. Now it's time to see the structure behind the project. Let's go. Here you can see blog is the project and student is the apps. In the template parts we can see all of the HTML codes, add.html, base.html, edit.html and also index.html. In the static or CSS folder we can see the bootstrap library. In the admin panel it is the control of the project. In the form section we can see the fields that we mentioned in the in our project: student number, first name, last name, email, field of study and GPA. In model section here you can see the student number and models, positive integer field, character field, email field and so on. In the ULs part it is totally connected with the views part. In the views part we can see many functions like index functions, view student functions, add student, then edit and also delete. Here is the SQLite file, the database file. Thanks for watching it. You can stay connected with me in GitHub, LinkedIn and also my YouTube channel. I mentioned all of the accounts link in the video description box. Thank you so much.